Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, estoy bien. Okay, so welcome to my Spanish language club, which I am running under the umbrella of Asquare languages. So today I will give you a very important tips, like if you are a Spanish beginner, okay, and for example if you're a kid, like if you want to speak Spanish and you want to introduce yourself in Spanish language. So today I will convey to you like how you can introduce yourself in Spanish language, which is very important because, for example, if you're facing your interview, and in your interview also you have to explain yourself, like my name is, I am from this place, my age is this. Okay, so there are a lot of ways, like if the people ask you, hey, what is your name, so you have to understand what in what sense I have to reply them in Spanish language. So today we have module like how to present yourself in Spanish language. This is module for DELE A1. This is module for the kids who are just appear themselves, in Spanish language. This is a module for the beginners and the learners. Okay, so you have to repeat after me. Okay, so speak up. Hola, hola, hola is basically hi and hello. Speak up. Hola, hola, hola is hi and hello. So my next phrase is ¿Cómo te llamas? Speak up. ¿Cómo te llamas? If I'm saying ¿Cómo te llamas? Speak up. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Repetir por favor. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas is basically what is your name? You're asking like ¿Cómo te llamas? Basically ¿Cómo te llamas is, see, we have a verb llamar. Here we have a verb because in Spanish we have a verb. So here we are using the verb llamar. Llamar is to call oneself. So basically llamar is to call oneself. So if I'm saying ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay, for example, hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Llamas. So basically ¿Cómo te llamas is what is your name. So if I'm saying my name is Ankit, my name is Ankit, so what I will say, me llamo Ankit, me llamo. My name is Ankit Malhotra, I'm saying. If you ask me, what is your name? So you have to say like this, ¿Cómo te llamas? What I will say, me llamo Ankit Malhotra, me llamo Ankit. So if I will say, my name is, so what I will say, me llamo Ankit, y tú, E is basically my and tú is basically my you. Okay, so if I'm saying ¿Cómo te llamas? One will say me llamo, the name. Okay, me llamo Ana, me llamo Kathy, me llamo Andrew, me llamo Nicola. Okay, so Nicola asks to other person y tú and you. So other person will say me llamo Andy, me llamo John, anything. Is that clear to you? So here we have hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ankit. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ankit. Y tú? Me llamo Andrew. Is that clear to you? So repetir por favor. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo. Y tú? Say, okay. So next we have a second thing. If I ask to you like where are you from? For example, if I'm meeting the first time with you, and I asked you, hey, hello, what is your name? My name is this. And from where you are, like on which city you are, which country you are, you belong to which country. So we have a lot of question in terms of present yourself. So my question would be, ¿De dónde eres? Speak up. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres is basically where you are. Speak up. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres is basically ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres is basically I'm asking like where you are, from where you are, from where you are, from where you belongs to. Okay, from where you belong to. Sorry, perdón. So my question is, hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ankit. Y tú? Me llamo Andrew. ¿De dónde eres? So for example, if I am from Colombia, I will say soy de Colombia. soy de. I am from. I am. So I am, we have a basically a say verb over here in Spanish language. So I will say soy de. Yo soy. Soy. Soy is I am. Yo soy is I am. Soy de Colombia. Soy de Colombia. Is it clear to you? So basically, de donde eres. De donde eres is from where you are. Speak up. De donde eres. De donde eres. Soy de Colombia. If I'm saying my nationality, so I can only use soy. I am. Only soy from my nationality. So repeat after me. I'm repeating one more time. We have hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Okay. Me llamo, my name is, what is your name? Y tú, and you. ¿De dónde eres? I'm asking. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres is basically, we have like, what is your name? ¿De dónde eres is from where you are. Is that clear to you? ¿De dónde eres? Okay. So if I'm saying I am from Colombia, soy de Colombia. I'm asking my nationality. So if I will say my nationality, I will only use soy. I will not use soy de. In case of, if I'm using my nationality, if I'm telling my nationality, I can only use soy. I cannot use soy de. If I am from, that is soy de Colombia. Is that clear to you? Okay. So, for example, a person will say, oh, it's nice to meet you. So what he will say? Mucho gusto. Speak up. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto is basically is nice to meet you. For example, you will say, mucho gusto. The next person will say, oh, I also feel very nice to meet you too. For example, if I will say, oh, nice to meet you. And the next person will say, oh, nice to meet you too, sir. So nice to meet you is mucho gusto. If other person will say, nice to meet you too, we cannot say igualmente, no. We cannot say igualmente, no, please. There's wrong Spanish. We'll use el gusto es mío. El gusto es mío. We will not use, if I will say, mucho gusto, igualmente, no, igualmente, perdón, no. So we have el gusto es mío. El gusto es mío is basically nice to meet you too, nice to meet me. Mío is basically, here we have a possessive adjective. Nice to meet, nice, so it is like nice to meet you too. Okay, so here we have mucho gusto. If you want to reply mucho gusto, so your reply would be el gusto es mío. Speak up. El gusto es mío. Is that clear to you? So basically el verbo. So we have a verb, llamar. As I already explained to you, llamar. Llamar is a verb basically to call. So we have a conjugation. Okay. So como te llamas? Hola. Hola. Me llamo. There are a lot of ways to explain myself in Spanish language. If I will say, my name is Ankit, I will say, hola, me llamo Ankit. If I will say, I am Ankit, yo soy Ankit. Soy Ankit. If I'm saying, my name is Ankit, that is, me llamo Ankit. If I will say, I am Ankit, soy Ankit. Soy Ankit. If I will say, mi nombre es. Mi nombre es. Basically, nombre is my name. So, see, there is a lot of ways to explain myself in Spanish language. I will say, me llamo Ankit, soy de Ankit, and mi nombre es. Mi nombre es my name is Ankit. Mi nombre es, my name is Ankit. Okay? So, soy Ankit. Hola, soy Ankit. Me llamo Ankit. Mi nombre es. Okay? If I'm saying, I am from Spain. Soy de España. Speak up. If I'm saying, I am from Spain. Soy de España. If I'm saying, I am from United States of America. If I'm saying, I am from United States, I will say, soy de Estados Unidos. Speak up. Perdón. I will say, soy de Estados Unidos. Soy de Estados Unidos. If I'm saying, I am from Spain. Soy de España. If I'm saying, I am from United States. Soy de Estados. Estados Unidos is basically my USA. So we'll use USA, United States of America. In French we have États-Unis, and in Spanish we have estás dos unidos. Repetir, por favor. We have United States of America. That's a USA. Okay. So how to say USA in French? We have Zeta Zuni. Okay. But in Spanish we have Estás dos unidos. Speak up. In Spanish we have USA is soy de Estás dos unidos. Estás dos is my United States of America. If I'm saying my nationality, I am Spanish. Soy Espanol. So if there's a masculine, if there's a male, he's saying I am Spanish. Soy Espanol because that's nationality. If there's a female, she will say soy Española. Soy Española. Is that clear to you? So these are the things like how you can explain yourself in Spanish language. How to say age. For example, my age is 31-year-old. I am Ankit. Me llamo Ankit. Mi nombre es Ankit. My name is Ankit. Soy Ankit. My age, I am 31-year-old. I'm saying I am 31-year-old. So what I will say? I will say tengo. Because see, in English we use is MR conjugation. No. But in Spanish, we use tener, has, have conjugation whenever I'm expressing myself in terms of my age. So if I'm saying I'm 31-year-old, so I will use tener verb. Tener. So that is yo tengo my age años. So 31 is 31 años. So what I will say, tengo 31 años. If I'm saying I am 31-year-old, 31 is basically 30 is 30, 31 is 31. We already have done the counting, right? So if I'm saying I am 31-year-old, tengo 31 años. Años is basically your year. So basically guys, this is the things like how to express yourself in Spanish language. So can you repeat one more time? Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo. ¿Y tú? ¿De dónde eres? Soy de nationality. We have verb llamar. ¿Cómo te llamas? Hola, soy Ankit. Mucho gusto. El gusto es mío. Tengo and your age and años. So I'm 31, so 31 años. Is that clear to you? So basically guys, see, it is just in a normal sense. If you want to express yourself, like my name is, I am from this, my age is this, okay? So I'll explain to you a lot of things, like you say my hobbies are, okay, and I like to see these things. So I will explain to you these entire things in my next module, okay? So I believe guys, I would request you to watch this video because this will really help you out in order to express yourself in Spanish language. So if you're facing your interview, anything you're facing, right? So you can have these things, okay? So if you have any doubt, you can feel free to speak with me because we are running a European language club in Chandigarh, and sooner we have a plan to we'll definitely look forward to metro cities. Like we have a branch in Chandigarh right now, so we look forward for Delhi and Mumbai as well to open a new club. So let's see going forward for this. We also need your initiatives. If you are a Spanish learner, have these things in your place. Okay, so sitting at your house, you can have the classes. We are also delivering online sessions wherein you don't need to come, go outside from your house. So sitting at your house, you can be a trainer at your house, okay, through online. Okay, so by the time, adios, okay, hasta luego, hasta mañana, take care, bye bye.